Hey everybody, today I want to talk about parallax scrolling and how you can add this to your site very easily. And here's an example of it. This is a Shopify theme, but it has a nice area here, which is parallax, a nice example of parallax scrolling. And you can see all these trees in the background, and then when you scroll, the background kind of stays put and the words will scroll past it. So it's kind of like a cool 3D look that is eye-catching and it makes your site look more custom. So we're going to recreate something like this, and I'm going to start by adding a row layout, and I'm going to add, oh, no, I'm going to add a background image to my row layout. And I'm just going to grab an image here. This is quite a large image, which will work great. So we can make this full width and really get the feel of it. Now inside here, I'm going to add a text block, and I'm going to put a large headline text box, that white so it will show up. And I'm going to center it, and I'm going to make it really big. Go for like 80 pixels. Okay. So now I'm going to go back to my row layout and go to my image, and I'm going to make that image parallax. Okay, you can mess around with these if you'd like, but usually it's best to cover the row with the image and then click parallax. All right, so now since this is a scrolling thing, the way that you're really going to see it is to have some other stuff on the page. Otherwise, you won't be scrolling. So I'm going to grab some Bob Ross Lorem Ipsum, and I'm going to add it there, and I'm also going to add it after the box. Okay. So now, and I'm going to open this box up a little bit. If you click on the row, and this is your padding right here, right now it's in green, it says small. You can just drag that and make it larger. Okay, now let's go and see what this looks like. Update that and go view the page. And this is it. So here's our article, and then here comes our parallax image with our text over it. And it's really kind of a cool thing. It's a good way to make this text really show up. If you have a headline that you really want to um, make stand out, you can add a button under this, maybe something for them to click on. You may want to use an image that's more like a pattern or a subtle image. It's up to you, but it's just a nice, cool custom look for your website.